mirrors or something home? You know, you broke your mirrors or something?
Yeah, I think I've got that.
It's him on it. We didn't want
We didn't want you going home with that one.
Who's in the... That's Matt. I don't know who this is. Some bloke on a push bike.
So you happy with that?
Yeah, that's perfect. If the cops pull me over, I know
Brother's looking after you?
Yeah.
I hope they do pull you over and you go, mate, that's you in the car behind.
Hang on, we'll put some blue lights on it. That's gold.
So here we are, still in the Opal fields. Got Dave here. He wanted to get his wife a surprise. You'll see him at getting maybe, I don't know, some Opal from the Opal farm.
Can't find any.
But he can't find any. So what we've done is I just noticed him over here. I think he's going to get Kristen something from a tree. You know, just like the Opal farms, they have special trees here. This is the brazier tree. And Dave, which one was it that you're going to get for Kristen?
This one would be about probably the colour that she likes.
Looks pretty inviting. What?
I see there's a sign over there for the caretaker's parking spot.
Hang on. Take two.
It's been a long day. Over there it states caretaker's car park. I beg to differ, because if you have a look around the place,
Place of the car park
here for a fair while, and if he is getting paid for the job, they need to reassess his wages. Have you got to press the button?
Yeah, you got to press Get in the truck, Nom!
Get in the truck.
Headbutt him, Sean, headbutt him. Don't poke his eyes
I
out.
didn't press the button.
Don't do it.
Oh, you That's exactly what I ended up doing because I got. This is just dangerous. You're on the wrong way.
Here's Padre mounting Rhino.
Alright, I'm ready. Let's go. Woo.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Run and jump. Have you seen the movie?
You ready?